Ever felt nauseous and wished for a quick home remedy? Today we have a solution: ginger tea. This video is all about showing you how to brew this soothing beverage right in your own kitchen. Ginger, a common spice with a powerful punch, is known for its anti-nausea properties. It's a natural remedy that may help alleviate feelings of nausea, cold, aid digestion, sore throat, and even reduce motion sickness. But remember, while these benefits are promising, individual responses may vary. Adding lemon to this ginger tea not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts its health benefits. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and works wonders in boosting your immunity, aiding digestion, and adding a refreshing citrus kick. So, are you ready to make your very own ginger lemon tea? First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh ginger, hot water, lemon, and optional honey. Now let's get started with the ginger. You'll need about an inch of this root. If you're not sure how to measure it, just aim for a piece about the size of your thumb. Once you have your piece of ginger, it's time to peel it. You can use a spoon for this. Just gently scrape the edge of the spoon against the skin of the ginger. It should come off quite easily. After you've peeled your ginger, it's time to slice it. Aim for thin slices, about the thickness of a coin. The thinner the slices, the more surface area they will have, and the more flavor they'll give to your tea. And there you have it, perfectly prepared ginger ready for brewing. Once you have your ginger sliced, you're ready to move on to the step. At this point, let's talk about honey. It's optional, but adding it to your tea can offer many benefits. Honey possesses antibacterial properties, making it a great addition to your tea, especially during cold season. It's also known for its ability to soothe a sore throat, making your tea not just tasty but also a natural remedy. And let's not its natural sweet taste that can add a layer of warm sweetness to your tea, making it the perfect comfort drink. Now, it's time to brew your tea. Can you almost taste the soothing warmth already? Well, let's get started. First, you're going to need a cup of water. Bring it to a boil using your preferred method. Whether that's on a stovetop or in an electric kettle, it's entirely up to you. Once your water is boiling, it's time to add the star of our show, the ginger slices. Slip them carefully into the water. You'll notice the water starting to take on a golden hue. That's a good sign. It means that the ginger is releasing its beneficial compounds into the water. Add lemon. Now, for a crucial step, let the ginger steep in the hot water for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Why is this important, you ask? Well, steeping is the process that allows the water to extract the maximum amount of flavor and health benefits from the ginger. A quick dip won't do. We want our tea to be potent, both in flavor and in its soothing properties. I recommend setting a timer for this step. It's easy to lose track of time and you don't want to understeep your tea. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to brewing the perfect cup of ginger tea. After your tea has steeped, it's time to strain out the ginger slices. But don't discard them just yet. We'll be using them in the next step. Stay tuned. With your ginger tea strained, you can add honey if desired for a touch of sweetness. Honey not only enhances the flavor of your tea, but also brings its own set of benefits. It's a natural sweetener that's far healthier than processed sugar, and it's known for its soothing effects, making it a perfect addition to your nausea-relieving ginger tea. One more ingredient you could consider adding is lemon. Lemon not only complements the spicy taste of ginger, but it's also packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. It aids in digestion, boosts your immune system, and even helps detoxify your body. So a squeeze of this citrus fruit can make your ginger tea an even healthier beverage. Now let's recap why we went through the process of making this ginger tea. The star of our show, ginger, carries a reputation as a potent natural remedy for nausea. Whether it's morning sickness, chemotherapy-induced nausea, or just a simple upset stomach, ginger's anti-nausea properties can come to your rescue. But the benefits of ginger don't stop at combating nausea, also a friend to your digestive system. If you've eaten a heavy meal and your stomach is protesting, a cup of this ginger tea can help alleviate discomfort and aid digestion. And for those of you who have a tough time on long car rides, boats, or airplanes, ginger tea might just be your new travel companion. It's known to help reduce motion sickness, making your journeys more comfortable. As we wrap up, it's important to remember that everyone's body is unique. Your body might respond differently to ginger tea than your neighbors. Some of you might find immediate relief, while others may feel only a slight, and that's okay. Natural remedies like this one work differently for everyone. Also, while ginger tea is a wonderful home remedy, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you're dealing with persistent nausea or other health concerns, always consult with a healthcare professional. Always better to be safe than sorry. With all that said, it's time to sit back and enjoy your cup of calming ginger tea. Savor the warmth, the soothing flavor, and the potential benefits it brings. Enjoy your soothing ginger tea with a hint of lemon and say goodbye to that nasty nausea. I have listed the ingredients and method in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.